Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with fresh air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Now, shift your attention to the sounds around you. Notice the gentle hum of the world outside. Pay attention to the distant sounds like birds singing or the wind rustling through leaves. Now bring your awareness closer to the sounds within the room. Listen to the subtle creaks and murmurs of your environment. Next, focus on the sounds within your own body. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat, the soft whoosh of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Now let your attention wander to any sounds that may arise in your mind. Perhaps it's a gentle medley, the memory of a loved one's voice, or the soothing sounds of nature. Let these sounds come to you and go like passing waves. As you continue to listen to the sounds around you and within you, let go of any urge to analyze or label them. Simply be present with the auditory sensations, letting them wash over you like a gentle breeze. Take a moment to appreciate the richness of the world of sound that surrounds you. Each sound is unique and fleeting, just like each moment in life. Now, as we conclude this deep rest, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling, calm and relaxing, exhaling any remaining tension. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying with you a sense of deep restfulness and newfound appreciation for the world of sound.